Alright, so in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add columns, or basically how to split your Google Docs document into columns. So I'm going to show you how to split this page, for instance. Okay, so simply select the text. All right, I've basically selected everything in that page except for the title. So once it's selected, go to Format and then go to Columns. And then you can see the default is a single column. You can do double columns or triple columns. So double columns, it's going to look like that. All right. So you read all the way to the bottom and then you go to the other page. Now, if I select that text again, I can go back to Format, Columns, and add triple columns like that. All right. So that is basically how to do that. Now to undo all this, basically select the text again, everything in that page, go to Format, Columns, and then I can go back to the single column format. All right, now you can do this for the entire document, all the pages. You just need to select everything by pressing Control A or Command A if you're using Mac, and then make your document. Now let's try this with a new document. So I'm just gonna go and open a new blank document. I'm gonna call it testing columns. Right, that's going to be my title. Let me make it a title. I'm gonna select it and make it a heading. Okay, just like that. So now I can turn this page into double columns. So I just go and click on Format and then go to columns and then select double column. All right, so I can start typing here like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Now, if I want to start typing on the other side of the column, all I need to do is insert a page break. So I'm just gonna come here and select insert and then click on break, page break, or sorry, column break. Select column break, and then I can start typing on the other side. To come back to this side, I'll just come and put my mouse cursor and continue. And then you can click here and continue. You can just start a new paragraph and type. So that is basically how to split a document into columns in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.